Hello students. In the last video we have discussed about the first type of how to reduce the given equations in the form of linear pair and then how to find out the solution of those equations. Okay. Now today also we are going to discuss the next type regarding to same point. Here I have written instruction. If you will see instruction then you will come to know that. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Means what I told, that same instruction is given over here only. Here first of all we are going to reduce those two equations in the form of linear equation in two variables and then we will find out their solution. If you will observe carefully, then what is the difference in between the last type of example and this type of example, that let me first of all tell you. If you will observe carefully, then you will come to know that here in the denominator 5 upon x minus 1 and 1 upon y minus 2, here 6 upon x minus 1 and 3 upon y minus 2, like that situation is there. In the last video, the example type which we have seen, in that type x minus 1 and y minus 2, like that situation it was not there. Only 5 minus x, 5 divided by x, 1 divided by y, 6 divided by x, 3 divided by y, like that condition it was there. The last type or the last time how we have solved example, same method we are going to follow, only instead of these common factor. What is the common factor in this example? X minus 1, in the second equation also x minus 1, here y minus 2, in the second equation also y minus 2. Are you getting? Okay, like that we will first of all take that common factor, and by using that common factor we will put some one or the other variable over there, and by using that variable we will convert those given equations, we will reduce those given equation in linear equations in two variable. We will convert those equation in linear equation in two variable, then we will automatically get the solution of those equations. How to solve it? I am going to show you here. I am going to start this example. First of all, what we are doing? First of all, I will make the two parts of the page, because as you know that little bigger example is there. I am going to start. Look here. Solution given. What is given? See, 5 divided by x minus 1, 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 2, and 6 divided by, look here, 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2. 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 is equal to, what is equal to? 1. Those are the two equations given to us. Now we will reduce those equations in the linear equation into variable form. What we will do? We will first of all reduce those equations in linear equation into variable form, and then we will solve it. For that purpose, what should we do? We will write given equation in other form. What is that form? Look here. I will mention here. Here we will write what I written. Look here, we will write given equations in following form. What I wrote here, we will write given equations in following form. What is that form? See here, 5 divided by x minus 1. तो ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, देखो 5 इंटू एक्स माइनस 1 प्लस 1 इंटू 1 upon y minus 2. Got it? What I wrote? Look here. What I did? These 5 only I have taken outside. These 5, when I will multiply to this 1, I will get 5. Numerator into numerator, because its denominator is what? Now 5 denominator is what? 1. Remember when we have taken it separately. Now I have written it separately. Now 5's denominator is 1. Then numerator into numerator, 5 into 1, 5. 1 into 1 into x minus 1, x minus 1. Like that situation is there. Now we have converted those both equation in this form. Now we will write second equation also is equal to 2, and second equation, look here, 6 into 1 upon x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Got idea? Like that same type means this same point we have followed in the last method also, in the last type also. Do you agree? Do you understand what I am saying? Same this step we have followed in the last example also, which we have seen in the last video. Are you getting? Now what we are going to do? Here we will put, instead of 1 upon x minus 1, one of the other variable, and instead of 1 upon y minus 2, one of the other variable. Then by multiplying those variable with 5, 1, 6, 3, we will get the equations. And we have to solve this equation by using any one method. As you know that there are three methods. Which one? Substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. We have to select any one method. Now look here, we will start. Put, what is our next step? Put, we will take variable p. P is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 and q is equal to 1 upon y minus 2. We get, do you understand what is written? P is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 and q is equal to 1 upon y minus 2. Then the given equations we will write, or we can say the given equations are, what type of will be given equations? Look here, 5 into 1 upon x. What we are going to write instead of 1 upon x? P. I will write this 5 into p, which में साइन कौन सा है? प्लस 1 into q is equal to 2. Multiply 5 into p, 5p, plus 1 into q, q is equal to 2. We will consider this is the first equation. Got idea what I have written? Do you understand? Okay, then next. Okay, what is next? See, second equation is remain 6 into 1 upon x minus 1, यानी कि 6 into p minus 3 into 1 upon y minus 2, यानी कि क्या? q is equal to 1. Multiply करो, 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. This is the second equation. We got here two equations. Now we are having three options: substitution, elimination, and cross multiplication. Elimination method is simple for us. In the last video, the example which we solved by using only elimination method. Eliminate means we have to eliminate one or the other variable. How to eliminate? By equating coefficients. By equating coefficient means what? We have to make equal coefficients of any one variable. You can select any one variable, means here there are two variables, p and q. You can make p the coefficient of p equal or coefficient of q equal, which is simple to us. If you observe carefully, then you will come to know that suppose we have decided to make coefficients of p equal, then it will be little lengthy process. But now if you will see in case of q, then you will observe over here the sign of p and the sign of q is opposite one. The sign of q is what? Opposite one. Here sign is what? P, and here sign is plus, and here sign is what? Minus. Look here, sign of q is here plus and here sign is minus, means opposite sign is there. Suppose we will make coefficients of q equal and we will add it, then automatically q will eliminate from those two equations and we will get the value of p. Are you getting? Then for that purpose, look here, what is the coefficient of q in first equation? Here coefficient of q in first equation is 1 and in second equation is 3. Means suppose we will multiply this equation 1 by 3, then automatically we will get same coefficients. Same coefficients of which variable? Q. That's why we will decide here multiply equation 1 by 3 we get. Do you understand what I said? Look here, I will write here multiply equation 1 by 3 we get, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, 3 इन ब्रैकेट, इक्वेशन क्या है पहला? 5p प्लस q इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 5 मल्टीप्लाई करो अभी ब्रैकेट को, 3 इंटू 5 15p प्लस इंटू प्लस प्लस 3 इंटू q 3q. What we got here? 3 into q 3q is equal to 2 into 3 6. This is known as third equation. Now we will consider equation second and third. Okay, for what purpose? Look here, here 3q is there, here minus 3q is there. Suppose we will add those two equations, here q will automatically what will happen? Eliminate, and we will get the value of p. For that purpose I am going to write here. Look, you will come to know that. What is our next step? Got idea? Okay, then our next step will be, we will add which two equations? Look here, equation 2 and equation 3. Okay, add equation 1 and add equation 2 and 3. What we will get? See here, I am going to show you here. Look, add equation 2 and 3, we get. Okay, I hope so you got idea why we have decided to add, why we have not decided to subtract. Once again I am going to tell you. Look here, if you will see equation 2 and 3, then you will come to know that here both, look here, 3q but minus sign, 3q but plus sign. Okay, q is having opposite sign, and when opposite sign is there, then we can, and we want to eliminate that variable, then we have to add. And suppose same sign is there and we want to eliminate that variable, then what we have to do? We have to subtract. Okay, that's why we have decided to add over here equation 2 and 3. I am going to show here. Now I will write here first of all equation 2. Equation 2 is 6p minus 3q is equal to 1 plus equation 3 is 15p plus 3q is equal to 6. Add करो, 6 plus 15 21p. Here plus and minus will get cancel, is equal to 1 plus 6 7. Here we can find p. P is equal to 7 upon 21, that is equal to 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, यानी कि 1 upon 3. Got idea? Now we will find out the value of q. We are having now 3 options. Which one 3 options? Equation 1, 2 and 3. We will put that value of p in equation 1. What we will get? See, I will put here. Put p is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1. Okay. What is equation 1? See, 5p plus q is equal to 2. I will write here. Look, 5p plus q is equal to 2. Put value of p here. What will be the point? Look, 5 into value of p is what? 1 by 3 plus q is equal to 2. 5 into 1, 5 divided by 3 plus q is equal to 2. Are you getting what I am writing? Now look here. What we will do, for finding the value of q, we will transfer this 5 upon 3 to the RHS. Q is equal to 2 minus 5 divided by 3. Q is equal to cross multiplication. 3 into 2, 6. Which may sign? Minus. Here 5 divided by 3 into nothing means 1. 3 into 1, 3. Q is equal to 6 minus 5, 1 divided by 3. What have we got? 1 divided by 3. यानी कि p की वैल्यू भी हमें 1 डिवाइड बाय 3 मिली और q की वैल्यू भी हमें 1 डिवाइड बाय 3 मिली. But this is not a final answer, as we know that. Then what is the final answer? We have to find out the value of x and y. X and y. Why we have to find out the value of x and y? Look here. We have kept, instead of p, 1 upon x minus 1. Instead of 1 upon x minus 1, p. And instead of 1 upon y minus 2, we have kept q. And this is not a final answer. Are you getting? For reducing the given equations, those are the given equation. For reducing those given equations, we have did like that formation. For finding the value of x, we have to reshuffle again. Instead of p, we have to write the value of p, and instead of q, we have to write the value of q, and we will reverse it. Then we will get the value of p and q. Okay. Now look here, I am going to show here. Now, first I will consider 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to p. ये इस साइड को भी लिखोगे तो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके. देन व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? लुक हियर. देयरफॉर 1 अपॉन x माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू p की वैल्यू हमने क्या निकाली है? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ p? p इज इक्वल टू 1 बाय 3. वी विल पुट हियर 1 बाय 3, 1 अपॉन 3. cross multiplication. Okay, x minus 1 into 1 and 3 into 1, what will happen? 3 is equal to x minus 1. Therefore transfer this minus 1 to the RHS, LHS, what you will get? Now it is minus, it will convert into plus. Then what will be the answer? 3 plus 1 is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to हमें क्या मिला? 4. 3 plus 1 4. This is the value of x. Okay, then we will see the value of y. How to find out the value of y? Look here, I will show you here. Okay, then what is then? 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to what? Q. 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to q. Now put value again. 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to q की वैल्यू 3, 1 upon 3. हमने इधर q की वैल्यू भी फाइंड आउट की थी. देखो, आई विल शो यू वंस अगेन. देखो इधर, डू अंडरस्टैंड? हमने इधर q की भी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट की थी 1 upon 3. I have kept here that same value over here. Okay, now again cross multiplication. Therefore y minus 2 into 1 and 3 into 1, 3 is equal to y minus 2. I want to find out y. For that purpose minus 2 will transfer to the LHS, 3 it will convert into plus is equal to y. Therefore y is equal to 5. Understood? Okay, now we got value of x is equal to 4. I will show you how to write the final answer. We have to write the final answer here. Look here, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Got idea what I have written? X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5 are the solutions of given equations. Are the solutions of given equations. Okay, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5 are the solutions of given equations. Got idea? This is the second type of how to reduce the given equations in the pair of linear equation in two variable. How to reduce, I am telling how to reduce the given equation in the form, which form? Pair of linear equations, and how to find out their solutions. This is the second type. Are you getting? Okay, again one type is there, third type, that is little different as compared to this, but that is also very important. Now here I hope so you got idea about the second type. Now I am going to show you the notes page. That same page you have to copy, carry as it is. Look here, this is our given instruction as it is. I have written here. Okay, solution given. Now we will write given equations in the following form. हमने ये फॉर्म में लिखे, बाद में क्या किया? As you know that very well. फॉर्म में लिखने के बाद पुट p इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन x माइनस 1. देखो ध्यान से, q इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन y माइनस 2. देन द गिवन इक्वेशंस आर, हमें इक्वेशन 1 और 2 मिल गए. हियर मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 1 बाई 3. हमने क्यों डिसाइड किया वह मैंने बता दिया तुमको. बिकॉज वी वांट टू एलिमिनेट वेरिएबल q. ओके, and after multiplying we have added it. Look here, add equation 2 and 3 we got here value of p is equal to 1 by 3. Then put 1 by 3 in equation 1, we get here we got value of q is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, then after that what we did, look here, now 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to p. We have kept there. Then cross multiplication, we got x is equal to 4. Then 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to q. ये q है, 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to q है. We got here y is equal to 5. और फाइनल आंसर मैंने दिखाया तुमको कैसे लिखना है. देखो हियर x ये नीचे लिखना है, जैसे मैंने उधर लिख के दिखाया वैसे, सॉल्विंग में जैसे दिखाया वैसे लिखना है. हियर x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5 are the solutions of given equations. I hope so you got idea about this. You try your level best to solve examples like that examples are given in the exercise. I hope so you are trying your level best to solve the exercise also. Remaining points and the last type of this lesson and the last point you can say also. Okay, that we will continue in the next video. Thank you.